Anzac Day long weekend 2024. The rain's finally cleared. It's going to be a beautiful weekend, so we've decided to pack up and head up to Bjeke-Peterson Dam for a weekend of camping and fishing. We got onto a great campsite right on the banks of the lake through hip camps. Bjeke-Peterson Dam's well stocked with bass and silver and golden perch, so we're looking forward to chasing a few of those around the place and just exploring the dam itself. Obviously we're taking the boat with us, and you may notice up on top here we've got our trailer. Now this is our new trailer. It's the Big Barra folding aluminium trailer, so it's a bigger version of our standard Barra trailer. The big difference with this is it's designed for the bigger boats. The trailer itself is 4.3 metres long, it's 1.7 metres wide, and the big difference with this one, guys, is it's got a suspension system, a fully floating suspension system in it. So this trailer can be used as a full-time trailer as well as taking away with you when you're camping or caravanning. There's a big difference here, and you'll get to see this when we get up to the camp. I've mounted this up. We've developed a lift kit that can be attached to our trailers, and it enables us to load the boat and the trailer together as a complete unit using our electric sidewinder boat loader. Beauty of that is you just drop that off, and within about 5 minutes you've got your boat sitting there on the trailer ready to go. So we'll give you a look at that when we get up to the camp and show you how it works.